Okay, this is the Robert Barclay job, number 52988, install on 6/2. Okay, so very involved job. I'll try to talk fast. What we're doing, we're separating this house into 6 zones. Okay, we are reusing all the existing equipment and adding a few return airs, adding a humidifier. Anyway, so the zones will be over here on the north side. It'll be the master suite zone up above, and it'll mimic the basement master suite zone down below. So that's zone 1 and 2, or whatever they may be, but zone 1 and 2. And then the main living room mimics the same top and bottom as well. So the center living room and kitchen up above will be a zone. The center living room and this bedroom area will be a zone. Okay, then here on the south side, the bedrooms and the bathroom upstairs will be on a zone, and the bedrooms and bathroom downstairs will be on a zone. So 3 zones up, 3 zones down. Okay, to get that, we are going to just uninstall this furnace, but we're going to move it over 2 inches to the left. I drew a mark on the back of the back corner of the furnace. We're going to add a 7-inch filter box and then a new drop. So, and then a starting collar here. So I gave you a cut line and that. Going to add a humidifier in the front here. Just a standard order on the humidifier parts. Okay, so this existing trunk line here, notice it has this 12-inch round that feeds a trunk line down there. So this 12-inch round is going to stay, but you're just going to cut it where you need to. You're going to have to add a 12-inch damper and then tap it into the top of our duct. Okay. Along with that, you're going to have, so you have this joist space, you're going to have 3 more. So you're going to have a 10-inch round top takeoff coming out on each of these 3, feeding 3 different trunk lines down there. On this 12-inch, I did give you a 90 as well. And if the top takeoff doesn't work, and I know you have a, because it's going to be 1 inch down from the plan's going to be 1 inch down from the ceiling right here. So I gave you a 90 for these 2. This one and this one will be tight, so a top takeoff should work on those 2. Okay, so on the duct just as it shows, but it's gonna widen right here, and then I have a takeoff that's gonna even go wider, and it's gonna go 5 inches back. So I put it here, so you're gonna have 3 ducts coming off of this duct, and you're going to have 3 dampers. So this existing duct is going to come out all the way to this cut line here. And the duct's just as it shows, but this is gonna just come this way, and then you'll have then you'll have, so this existing duct will go for the existing upstairs bedrooms. You're going to take off all the vents that don't go to the upstairs master bedroom. So there's a duct here and there's a duct back there. Needs to be removed. And you can leave the laundry here. Well, you're going to have to redo it with another top takeoff on the laundry. Okay, then another duct is going to come on beside it here. So this duct is actually going to be over here. It's going to be another duct here, 90 in front of it. And you're just going to have to do what they've done there. But it's going to come here and down here and then end cap. And then that's going to get the basement. So you're going to have a heat vent here over the window here. And then, top takeoff, 6-inch to a 4x10. One over that window there in the bathroom. Then this back is going to be a closet. So I told him we can put a heat vent here. Just put it at least 2 feet out. So, you know, I'd run it in this space where the line set is and put an angle boot in for the closet. Okay, off the front of the furnace. Okay, so this is a return air here. You can see it tapping into the panning. The one next to it is combustion air. So our duct will come out to here. So these are going to have to move. But we have a 6-inch round damper that's just going to feed over that window for the basement. And he's prepared to fur all the way out to here, and we're going to need it with these wires. We're just going to have to reroute these as we need to get them through the wall. This combustion, you'll shorten it up right here, you know, cut it at the wall, shorten it up, but you're going to have to move it over. This return air, you're just going to have to get the duct up, and if you have to increase the panning or whatever and take it out over here, you know, whatever you have to do.